Welcome to Land House. I'm Seth. I was hoping to give you a micro hydro video today, but it did not turn out. So I actually took the 4-inch hydro unit down to the creek, put it in the water, tried to start the siphon, and my down pipe wasn't long enough to get that going. So I've purchased some things that I will use to extend that down pipe from where it is now all the way into the water, and we will be able to use the shop vac for a really good siphon start. So that's the plan for next week's video. Which means we have basically less than 12 hours to make this vlog today. So the kids are gonna go spend the night at my parents' house. My wife Ashley is in downtown Asheville doing some stuff with a friend of hers. And so that leaves me to basically have most of the afternoon for a few projects. I've got 4 loads of laundry to do and clean up the house. And also, I'm going to go install some shelves for my pasture. So I'll bring you along for a couple of those things. Okay, the kids are up. They are watching some tablet here and eating some food. You didn't like your animal crackers?
Dada?
No, but you like them?
You found her!
No? Okay. I also just realized that Arrow put the toaster on 5, and that caused the waffle to be a little bit too cooked. So, all right. It's part of being a dad, huh? More waffles. 3 is as far as we can go on those. I think I mentioned it in the previous vlog that my sister is about to start babysitting the kids twice a week. And so far, Land House and Tools, Tech and Gear is all filmed either on Tuesday or on Thursday. And then I work ram pumps most of the time, either one of those days for half the day. So it takes up a lot of time. Or I work from when the kids go to bed around 7:30 or 8 until 11 or 12. So it'll be so nice to have that second day. Here's the plywood that I have painted black, and that's going to be the shelves we installed today. We'll have to go pick up some screws to get that installed. I've already got the brackets. So now I need to find a battery. Oh, I know where it is. I put it in the shop vac. I was trying to start that siphon with this really old grungy DeWalt. Open up. There we go. So let's, yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so it's a really old shop vac that was given to me several years ago. But we'll have to have this battery here for my drill, and then I think we'll probably use this old impact driver as well. I need a bigger table and a bigger shop. This piece of plywood over here is going to be used for more shelving down in the studio space. Okay, yeah, I think I need to take a day and clean this shop up. This right here I am saving because I need to put it up here in this space someday. So many projects, so little time. Previously down here at the new shed, I had an ant infestation, and I think that is gone now. The poison that I put out, I feel like is a good deterrent, but as pretty much everybody commented, the use of the borax and sugar solution is what really gets rid of them the quickest. So about 2 days with that and those ants are gone. What I need is screws to install this shelf. I'm thinking 2 inch is going to be too small. What do we have here? 3 inch, maybe too big. Let's see what we got over here. 2.5. So I think that's what we're going to use there. So let's take that box, and then we're going to need some tiny drill bits, and I'll have to go buy the screws to actually put the brackets into the shelf itself. So those will go into the wall, and then we'll have to get those others. The plywood I just pointed out earlier, this piece right here will go down there, and then I can either put more shelves on this side over here. I'm going to make sure that I don't interfere with my little screen up here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do there. But I was thinking I will eventually be moving the lawnmower out into a lean-to And so the four-wheeler will be kind of more in the center here. And that means I can put 2 more shelves here for storage. So someone was saying, why am I building these strange shelves? It's because I still have a ton of these boxes that will be ram pump parts. And that's what's going to go up on these shelves. And I've also just found a manufacturer in the USA that makes pipe raisers, which is something I use a lot for ram pumps. And I've been paying $1 a piece for the 1¼ inch. I can now get them for 35 cents. And it saves Land to House about $10,000 if I get 20,000 of those pieces. So anyway, it's the same pieces I've been using. I'm just talking to the manufacturer instead of going through one of their vendors. So that being said, I've got a lot more things to store on those shelves. Okay, I only have enough brackets for, I think, 3 of these today, maybe even only 2. So I've got some foam here. I'm just gonna stick between. I don't know if it'll do any good or not, but well, yeah, give it a try. Second coat went on these last night, so hopefully it's not gonna have any issues with sticking. And then let's get some more of this foam here. So I typically wrap ram pumps in this foam, and normally it has these perforations in it, but this one does not. So it's one enormous roll that I have to cut. And I have discovered I am not very good at cutting a straight line out of foam. So yeah, we got 2 full 8-foot and then a 4-foot here. So a couple weeks ago I mentioned that I am saving up for a new truck, my first truck. I've got almost 5,000 saved for that. I'm really thinking though it's going to take me at least 2, maybe 3 years to get enough money for that, because I want something nice, and my little car should last another couple of years. These are the things I picked up for the hydro. I've got this Y fitting that I can use the vacuum on, and then this 45 will swoop the downpipe into the water at the end of the waterfall. And then I got some of these connectors so that I can hopefully not have to glue things just for this initial test. But anyway, let's store these over here in the shop, and then I will have to get the kids and head on to town so that we can, yeah, it's a nose shot, isn't it? We can go ahead and get these things done for the day. Are you enjoying some goldfish?
No.
No. Do you say no to everything?
No.
No. Is your hair blonde?
No.
Is this a shoe?
No.
Okay. Is this your cup?
No.
Silly goose. It took us about 2 hours to get ready and get in the car. That's pretty typical with us. So we're off to get some screws at the hardware store, and then we will install these shelves. There may be a surprise for the kids at about 12 o'clock if we install the shelves quick enough. So in 2020, I kind of mentored 3 different people on YouTube channels, and I'm happy to say all 3 of them have made channels and got a little content up. The first one is Zack Mason. He is the pastor that I'm actually going to go install shelves for. He probably has the most active channel. And then Thrashin Throttles is a guy named Rob that I worked with, and he does motorcycles. So that's pretty cool. And then the last one is Landtreair. They just started their channel here in, I guess, April of 2021. And they are, I think, going to be doing a similar style video to Art and Bree, if you've ever followed their stuff. So their first video they've posted is how they get water from the creek, and they use a gas pump. And spoiler alert, I'm going to be going up to their place next week, or 2 weeks from now, to install a ram pump. So they will likely put some of those videos on there as well. But Links to all 3 of those channels in the description down below. You may just head over to them and see if you like their kind of content. Okay, we are off to the hardware store. I mentioned this before, I am notoriously bad at filming in front of people, and so I may sneak the camera into the hardware store, but it probably won't be anything special. My favorite local hardware store because they have bins where you just pick out as many screws as you need. It's super handy. I'll call that a ½ pound. Previously, we had talked about building more cabinets to go on top of the current cabinets. And so I started constructing this thing, and we decided to go away from that and just use shelves along this whole parameter. And so today I'm going to try to start right here in this corner and install on this wall here. So let's see what we can do. Well, that's what I've accomplished in an hour, so I think we're gonna leave. But I need a longer level so I can get this side over here done, because all I have is this little bullet level. So there is a surprise for the kids down here at the park. I think we're gonna load up the tools and go down there and have some fun. Yeah.
You come in right here, you go up, there's a whole lot of obstacle stuff, then you cross through, then you go around, then you go up the ladder, and you go down the slide.
I need help. I need help.
All right, here we go.
Wow.
All right, have fun.
Yeah.
Are you going in too?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is there one side that's easier than the other?
It's the same.
Okay. Whoa. All right, Dad's gonna help you up here. You can't make it. All right, I'm on my way. Whoa. Oh, goodness. It's gonna be quite an adventure for you. Whoa.
I don't know how to get out.
All right, hold on. You guys are stuck down in the tunnel. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. I stepped on Arrow's foot. Okay, guess what? We have to squeeze through the little tunnel.
I can't.
You gotta squeeze so careful. All right, you ready?
Okay.
Come on, squeeze through. Yeah, come on, you got it.
Guys, come on.
You got this. Oh, good job. Oh, goodness. All right, he says we gotta cross through. Yep. You got it. Ugh. Oh no. Hiya. Oh no. All right, we're coming up to the big slide apparently. Okay, you ready? Here's the big ladder. I may have to cut the camera for this. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna let go. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get too old for this. Whoa, watch out! That was fun. You almost got it.
Look at this.
Good job. You made the whole thing by yourself. Well, just dropped the kids off at my parents' house, and now I'm gonna head back to my place to do 2 more loads of laundry, wash the dishes, and just tidy up for a bit. The Mother's Day gift that I got, that the kids got for Ashley, is gonna be 2 days late. So I figured at least getting the house clean and laundry done would be a good start to a Mother's Day gift. And then after that, we'll see what I need to get into. Probably not gonna film much because I've got to do, I think 10 ram pumps have to go out, and that's what I'll spend most of my afternoon doing. If we have time after that, before I go to work, I may head down to the water and we'll do some more hydro stuff. But anyway, time to do some driving. All right, back at the house. I'm gonna build about 15 to 20 of these to prepare for the upcoming week. And I guess also go into the house and get some more cleaning done. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope it's been entertaining and fun for you. It's kind of a typical day around the land house homestead area whenever I am not actually working on videos for you to enjoy. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.